Ibotta Referral rewards can change over time, and the amount you actually receive depends on the referral promotion available on your account when you invite someone. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta Referral bonuses work, where to find the current reward details, and what steps help make sure a referral is counted correctly. The first thing to check is your referral section inside the Ibotta app. This area shows the current referral offer connected to your account, including the requirements your friend needs to complete before you receive the reward. Ibotta Referral bonuses are usually not paid just because someone installs the app. The invited person normally needs to complete the required actions listed in the promotion. Those requirements can include creating an account through your referral link and completing qualifying activity. Always read the promotion details before sharing your link, because the rules can vary. To send a referral, open the referral area in the Ibotta app and use the available sharing options. You can usually share your referral link through messaging apps, email, or other platforms. The second thing to check is whether your friend used your specific referral link. If someone signs up without using the correct referral method, the referral may not connect to your account. After your friend completes the required steps, check your Ibotta account activity for updates. Referral rewards may not appear instantly, because the system needs to confirm that all requirements were completed. If a referral bonus does not appear, review the promotion terms first. Check whether your friend completed every required step, whether the offer was still active, and whether the referral was connected correctly. Contacting Ibotta support with clear information can help if the referral meets the requirements but the reward is missing. Include the account details connected to the referral and explain what happened. Avoid sending repeated referral requests or creating multiple accounts to test the system. Use the official referral process to keep your account in good standing. The best way to get value from Ibotta referrals is to share the app with people who are interested in earning cash back, and make sure they understand the required steps before signing up. To summarize, check the current referral offer inside the Ibotta app. Make sure your friend uses your referral link, and review the requirements before expecting the bonus. Your next step is to open Ibotta, check your referral section, and share the current offer details with someone who wants to use cashback rewards. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta referrals, like the video and subscribe for more cashback app guides.